Today on General Kung Pao Chicken. Hey YouTubers, good morning. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm making some pizza made with tofu, spices, mushrooms. I'm going to grill it. When it's done, I'm going to open up and put tomato sauce and cheese and grill it some more and see what happens. I don't know what I'm doing. We'll find out. Be back in 12. I forgot to mention, I put a lot of Italian dressing on it, and parsley, and onion powder, and garlic powder, and olives, and mushrooms. Okay, see what we got. Not too bad. Put on some mozzarella. Some spicy tomato sauce. Now, we can't close this tight, but we can close it. We're going to use this to make a wedge. I've done this before. Now, another 12 minutes. That heat from the top is going to melt that cheese, heat up that tomato sauce, and we'll be right back. 12 minutes. Okay, guys, let's see what's happening. Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good. Don't it? Turn off the heat. So these should make a bunch of little individual pizzas. Bloop, bloop. So that's what we got going. I've never made this before. I've made panini pizza before, and I've made plenty of tofu grilled in the panini grill, but I never combined the two. Let's see what they look like on the bottom. Oh, crispy, not too overcooked. But if I would have let them cook a little longer, they would have been. So the seasoning I used was garlic and onion powder and some parsley and some Italian seasoning flakes with Italian dressing and the mushrooms and olives. I'm really separating this for you guys. I'm gonna guys, hope this was something that's interesting to you and you give this a try. Got a nice crunch to it. Yeah, want some cheese. So guys, thanks again for watching. Put on new videos every week. Been doing it for, oh gosh, 14 years. Got over almost 1,000 videos. Bunch of cool people I feature on my channel with me. And a nice playlist of other recipes. A lot that I make and other people I like on YouTube. And new stuff every week. Alright guys. Give this a try. I think you're going to like it.